In this video, I will show you how to build a plane with steering in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got a nice flat as possible spot of world. Then what you want to do is just follow along with me. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the build menu, come across to the toys section, and you want to select the dynamic foundation. What you need to do is go ahead and build 4 of these next to each other. So you can use the snap tool to make this easier if you just hold down the snap button, but you just want to put 4 of these next to each other. So once you've gone ahead and you've built your 4 dynamic platforms, you should have something that looks like this. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is come onto the actual foundation platform, and you want to go ahead and come into your build menu, go across to building parts and build a small pillar just like this. So what you can do is just put this towards the front of the vehicle, so just like this. And also if you want to, you can put something on the top like more like a flat foundation, but this is just purely for aesthetic purposes. It doesn't actually do anything, so this is completely optional. Once that's done, come to the back of the vehicle, and what you now need to do is open up the build menu, go into toys and add some large thrusters. So you just want to add these to the back of the plane, just like this, and it's up to you how many you want to actually add. I normally put 4 onto each foundation. As you can see, I'm just doing that now. And once that's done, what you're going to want to do is add a small thruster. So open up the build menu and you've got a small thruster here, and you want to add this to the side of this pillar. So if you want to go right, you need to add it to this side of the pillar. And if you want to go left, of course, just add it to the opposite side. So I'm just going to put this one here, like so. Once that's done, just go ahead and put your activation switch on, which can be found in the toys menu. So I'm just going to put that down there. Then what you can do is start adding balloons. So what I normally do is just put 2 small balloons at the start, so at the front of the plane, just like this. And then what you can do is select the large balloon, and you need to be quite fast when you're doing this, but you want to put 1 onto each foundation. Of course you want to be fast because just like that you can fall off, so that's why you want to do it fast. However, I am in sandbox mode, so what I'm going to do is fly up to my plane. So what I'm going to do is just finish putting my balloons on, so I'm just going to put 1 more, and this is what the completed plane is going to look like. So I'm just going to come out of fly mode, so you can see we've got 4 big balloons, 2 red balloons at the front, and we've got our activation switch. So now, as you can see, we're on the plane moving, and all you need to do is to steer the plane, you just need to interact with the switch. So as you can see, I've put on the right hand side, which is going to steer the plane left. Of course, if you wanted to go the other way, what you would do is just take the small thruster off, and you would put 1 on this side. So that is how to go ahead and build a plane with steering in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.